boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about money. As you can see, I have some money here with me on my whiteboard. You may not be able to tell what it is because it's kind of far away, but if you know some of the attributes or some of the things that make a coin, you might be able to tell me what they are. So if you see that bronze coin, or I guess you can call it like a reddish orangish coin, you probably know what it is if you know an attribute of the coin. So that coin, if you didn't already guess it, is a penny because its color tells us what it is. So as you can see, it's my penny here. And how much is a penny worth? If you said 1 cent, you'd be correct. So for every penny that I have 1 cent. Now, I can't really buy much with 1 cent. I actually don't know anything that I can buy with 1 cent, but I'm sure we could figure out something. I don't know. But if I have a lot of pennies, I could buy something. If I had 100 pennies, do you know how much that would be? How much 100 pennies equals? It equals $1. So if I had 100 pennies, I would have $1. And I would be able to buy a couple things with $1. Okay, so let's talk about another coin that I have over here. I have a really big silver coin. Can you guess what coin that would be? A big silver coin. If you guessed a quarter, you'd be correct. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. So I could buy some things with 25 cents. I could buy a gumball. I could buy, I don't know, something out of a machine. Probably, you know, how they have those little monkeys in a machine or little toys in a machine. I could buy something like that, or I could play a game at an arcade. But if I had more, I could buy a lot more. So how many quarters would I need to get to $1? Does anyone know? This is a little hard. But if I count by 25s, which I don't know if you can do, but count with me if you can. 25, 50, 75, 100. So at 100, we have $1. So I count it 4 times. So I would need 4 quarters to get to $1. And with that $1, again, I could buy more things. Okay. Now I'm looking for a small silver coin. If you guessed a dime, you would be correct. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents, right. So with 10 cents, I don't know anything I could buy with 10 cents, I don't. But again, if I had more dimes, I could buy something. So we said 10, and if you know how to count by tens, you could count to 100 by tens and tell me how many you would need in order to get $1. So go ahead and count by tens to get to 100 with me. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, I counted 10 times. It took me 10 times counting by 10 to get to 100. And that's correct. So in order to get to $1, I need 10 dimes. Okay, last but not least, can you guess my last coin? It's silver, it's medium, it's not the big coin, but it's not the small coin. It's a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Okay, so I have 5 cents and I can't really buy much with 5 cents, but again, if I have more nickels, I can buy more. So how many nickels would I need to get to $1? If you know how to count by fives, you can figure this out. So count by fives with me, and let's see how many times it takes us to get to $1. So 100. So let's count by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I don't know about you, but I count it 20 times. So I need 20 nickels to get to $1. That's a lot, but boys and girls, if you break it down by the numbers, we know how to count by fives and we know how to count by tens. So boys and girls, you know how many nickels and dimes it takes to get to 100. Okay? What if I have a nickel and a penny together? What would that be? So 5 plus 1. 6. Good job. So if you have coins at your home, please try and count with them and see if you can make some new numbers that maybe we haven't practiced in class. Thank you.